A very good morning to all of you students. Today in science we are continuing with our lesson number 4, birds. And today we are going to study about the food habits of birds, about their beaks and their feet and claws. So let's start. Food habits of birds. Students, birds do not have any teeth, so they use their beaks to break food into small pieces. Now, different birds eat different types of foods. For example, some birds like sparrow eat fruits, seed and grains, while eagle and kite eat flesh of animals. So, based on the type of food they eat, they have different beaks. Now we'll study about the types of beaks. The first type of beaks is strong, sharp and hooked beak. Now birds like eagles, vulture, they eat small animals. That is, they eat the flesh of animals and they are also called birds of prey. So, in order to tear the flesh, they have strong, sharp and hooked beaks. Number 2 is short, hard and horny beak. Whereas other birds like pigeons, sparrow, peacocks, which eat grains, nuts and seeds, for that they have short, sharp and hooked beaks in order to crush hard nuts and seeds. Third type is strong and curved beak. A parrot has a strong and curved beak to break nuts and bite hard fruits. Next is strong, hard and heavy beak. A woodpecker has a strong, hard and heavy chisel-like beak to make holes in the tree trunk and pull out insects from the bark of a tree. Next is long, thin and curved beak. A sunbird has a long, thin and curved beak which helps it to suck nectar of flowers. That is, sunbird, it sucks nectars of flowers. Next is broad and flat beak. A duck has a broad and flat beak with tiny holes which helps it to take out insects from muddy water. And the extra water is removed through the holes present on its beak. Now we'll discuss about the feet and claws of birds. All birds have 2 feet, mostly with 4 toes. Birds use their feet to walk, hop around, catch and hold the food. Now here we'll discuss about different birds. The first category is perching birds. Birds like crow, sparrow and pigeon, they are called perching birds because they have toes that help them hold on to the branches of a tree very firmly, and due to which the birds are able to rest or even sleep at night without falling. This act is called perching, and that is why such birds are called perching birds. Examples are your crow, pigeon and sparrow. They have 3 toes in front and 1 toe behind. These toes curl around the branch and hold it firmly. The next category is praying birds. Praying birds are the birds which eat the flesh of small animals. For example, eagle, hawk, vulture and owl. These birds have very strong and sharp claws in order to tear the flesh of their prey. And their strong and sharp claws are called talons. Next category is climbing birds. Some birds, they use their toes to climb up and hold on to the branches of trees. They are called climbing birds. Examples, parrot and woodpecker. They have 2 toes in front and 2 behind. Then is swimming birds. Water birds like duck and swan have webbed feet to swim in water. The webbed feet help them paddle and push water while swimming. Next is running birds. The birds like ostrich and cassowary are running birds because they cannot fly. So they have long and strong legs for running. Well, that's all for today, students. Thank you and have a nice day.